This is pie chart. This is pie chart. Is getting started. PyCharm community we install. PyCharm community is installed by us, and this is getting started. So like that, this is the editor. This is the interpreter. This is very popular. All of you know that. PyCharm. Read the name of PyCharm anywhere. Is very popular. So what we are doing? What we are doing? We are trying to write a program. We are trying to write a program like that. What is? These are the programs. Why? How can you start your program? Keep in mind. This is the file. This is the file. दिसतंय सगळ्यांना? Hello.
Oh.
What you can do when you are writing the program first time in Python? What you can do? You must have to click over the file. This is a file, and whenever you are writing so many programs, then you can construct a project for that. Once you write or click here new project, then it asks for your project name. I write here like my PROJ, and under my PROJ these are the Python program files. In this fashion you can create your new project, give the name of project, and whatever you write the programs, all the programs are stored in the project. So now if we try for a program, if we try for a program like that, very simple program, if we try for a single program like that, so we may treat here like a new one, like this is new one. Whenever you click on new one, it asks for what? New what? There are so many APIs, there are so many applications you can link with Python. But our focus is only to write a Python program, and that's why we have to select the Python file. Here is the file, Python file. Click here Python file. What is the name of Python file? If you are writing suppose a new if, or supposed to be if 0, if 0, this is my if 0 program. This is the space where I can write a program. Basically what we are doing, suppose that I assign x is equal to 120. We already clear in the last some discussions, there is no need to define the data type for the particular variable, and that's why it automatically takes the value of x is a integer data type. आपण प्रॅक्टिकली पण पाहिलंय, आपण टाईप कसा पाहू शकतो एखाद्या व्हेरिएबलचा, त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला नेहमी मला सांगायची गरज नाहीये. नाव our focus is here, our focus is on if statement. Our focus is on if statement. Yes, all of you know that if statement. This is very common. This is very common. Tell me the syntax of if. Yes, anybody else? Tell me the syntax of if. Yes, yes. Yes. What is the syntax of if? what is the syntax of if? Yes, बोला बोला. काही दिसत नाहीये तुम्ही मला बोलणारे. बोला. सांगा if चा syntax सांगा. 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 बोला बोला. Yes. If what? Condition. What is condition? X is greater than 100. If X is greater than 100. बरोबर आहे? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. You must keep in mind, whenever you complete the condition